So you're a video editor and you're sick and tired of wasting all your mental energy, spending hours on cutting the A-roll for your videos. See, after 7 years of being a video editor and working with some of the biggest creators online today, I'm diving into an AI feature that has saved me hours upon hours when it comes to editing my A-roll. Today I'm going to give you the most effective strategies and step-by-step tutorial to finally break free from the hours wasted on A-roll editing. So if you're serious about video editing and saving time while doing it, then this tip will definitely do just that. And in the end of this video, you'll leave with a new high-level strategy on how to use one AI tool built into Premiere Pro that can help you add to having a bulletproof editing workflow. So what's this mystery feature? Well, it's essentially using text-based editing AI to automatically recognize and cut out pauses. Let's get into how to use this step by step. Here's the thing though. Make sure that you watch until the end because this doesn't just delete empty spaces, it does much more. So essentially what you'll want to do is as soon as you open Premiere Pro and you have everything set up, your file management, everything, just drag and drop the main clip that you want. So for example, I'll just drag and drop this clip here. And then when you have, I'm just going to mute this. When you have your clip in your timeline, what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to come up to text. If you don't have text, what you want to do is come up to window, come down until you find text and just select that. Now, when you come to text, what you're going to want to do is come to this transcript tab, and it should already have your video completely transcripted from the audio that you drag and dropped in here in your timeline. How are you actually going to get Premiere Pro to cut out all the silences? Well, you want to come up here to this filter icon, click on it, and then come and select pauses. And now it's going to scan the entire video for any pauses. Now this video only has 2 pauses of empty space. Then what you're going to want to do is come and click delete all, and you'll see it just made those cuts and it deleted out those 2 pauses. That is insane. Now, what else you can do that's really cool that I like to do with this text-based editing is actually play through the video. And if there's a mistake, what you can do, imagine that this sentence here is a mistake. I can completely come here and highlight that whole sentence and just click backspace, and it completely deleted that for me. So instead of having to come here to the clip, get the blade tool, highlight it, highlight each side of it, and then delete it, all I need to do is literally just choose the sentence that I want to delete. Let's say this was a mistake or he messed up. I could just highlight it and backspace, and Premiere Pro will automatically cut it for me. This is pretty insane. So earlier on, I told you that removing pauses isn't the only thing that this can do. It can also remove filler words. This is a really insane thing if you think about it, because this can save a lot of time every single edit. And most of us edit on deadline. So having this is truly a game changer, even if it doesn't get it done perfectly. What's important is that it gets you a lot further ahead. And even though you should still make some tweaks, it helps you save time, that initial time, which leads me to my next point. Despite what you've been told by a lot of people, a lot of the AI marketing out there, please do not rely on these tools to do the job for you. You see, once AI does its thing, the edit's still pretty bad and pretty janky. The pacing and flow is completely off. So what you want to do is you want to use AI to help you speed up your workflow, to use AI to work with you as a helper, but never fully rely on AI as an editor. You see, I just saved like 30 minutes to an hour of time by having this do the grunt work and cut out all the mistakes for me. But now I need to go through and spend 45 minutes or even more if needed to now dial in the pacing and the flow of this video, right? To clean it up, clean up some of the cuts. But here's the thing. Before, I would have done that anyways. I would have also had to do the grunt work though in the beginning. So basically what the AI is doing is it's saving me tremendous amount of time on the tasks that aren't so important. So I definitely think this is something you should try and use for every project that you work on. So that's exactly the A to Z on how you can use this awesome, wonderful AI feature built into Premiere Pro. But there's something I didn't tell you at the start of this video. Everything I just told you is completely useless if you don't know how to actually edit. So if you need to learn how to edit, click on this video right here if you want to learn exactly how to do so inside of Premiere Pro.